To make a YouTube intro in Canva for free, let's come into our templates here by clicking on templates and search for intro. I'm going to click on enter here, and you see all these intro options that come up. You want to go through them and select the one you want to use. Since we're looking at creating an intro for free, we're going to look for free templates only to use. I want to make this process seamless. I like this intro. I am going to click on it, and I can now customize this template. The template has opened in the editor, and from here you can see everything that is going on in your template. One way to do that, I like to click on the page and go to position, come over to layers to see everything I am dealing with in my template. So I can see that the image appeared 3 times. Close this part out. Come down here. If I hover the transition, you can see that the transition that was used was match and move, which is okay for me. I'm going to pull my timeline up to have an overview of what is going on. So from here, I'm going to look at everything that is on my design for this image. It has brought me to this image. I'm going to go into my upload to bring in my own image into that template. And let's still pull down our timeline so you have an idea of what is going on. And I can click on this crop option to see whether my image is positioned how I want it to look. I'm happy with this image. I will do the same for this image so that everything is in position, since the transition that was used is match and move, so that it's matching and moving properly. I'm going to also pull this image into this place, and I'll click on the third image and I'll pull it into that position too. And I will come to the names and change the name into my own name. And let me pull this out so I see what is going on. And I can select this name and say, I'm just going to pull the box so that I have more control. Now that I have that, I'm also going to go into this box again. You want to go through your design to see if you've changed everything that you need to be changed. Now that I have this name, let me still go through my templates to see if I've changed everything that needs to be changed. I'll go into positions still so that I have a better idea of what is going on my templates. This is changed. This is changed. Subscribe is universal. Welcome is universal. The imagery are changed and all that. To preview, you click on play here, or you want to click on this preview. Let's drag our timeline down so we can preview properly, and let's preview. That played out properly, and we'll have a beautiful intro we're working with. From here, you want to click on share and click on download to download your intro video.